Hey, you guys. So I am about to hang up a heavy mirror in the bathroom. And I want to do a quick little tutorial on how to hang your pictures and your frames, your mirrors, everything perfectly straight every time without having to use a level or something like that. This is a cool little trick that I learned from my dad. Shout out, Dad. So let me show you how we do it. So we take our picture frame wire, and normally people will just, put it through the one end and then they'll, tie it around that side and just have one string hanging all the way across. I should have showed you what it looked like before. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a big loop. Watch out, Mason. So you want to make sure it's long enough. You can always trim up later, right, babe?
Yeah.
And you're just going to make a big loop around both sides that you want to hang from. Tie it together nice and tight. See how it's just wrapped around? And then this is how you're going to hold it. You're going to take each side and you're going to crisscross them like that. And so you're going to put a screw here and a screw here. But what's cool is it doesn't have to be perfectly level because you can adjust the picture anyway. And we'll show you that as we screw it into the wall. So let's take a break and we'll show you what to do next. Okay, so we are going to hold the mirror up to where we want it on the wall, and we've got these stretched out, and we're going to say it's about a couple inches from the top of the frame is about where we're going to want to put our nails on the wall. So, do you want to hold it up?
Sure thing.
Got a light bulb out. Okay, so we're gonna go about right there.
Okay.
So a couple inches down from there, we're gonna say is about right here. I love this method because it doesn't have to be exact. Okay, so boom. Right there? Okay, now unless you're going to be screwing into a stud, you want to get these drywall anchors. These you pound into the drywall and you screw it in, and then you hang your picture off of that, and then you don't have to hit a stud, and it'll still be a strong anchor on the wall. If you've ever wondered what those are, that's what that is. They come with a screw. Okay. Now we're going to throw our second one up. Are you feeling a little nervous?
Yeah.
So we're just eyeballing it. Isn't he so handsome? And this one too. Alright, this part's a little tricky, I'll admit. Especially with a heavy item. Oh, we're gonna brush our teeth. Or suck on the toothpaste. All right. So now the key, remember, is to make a little X with your wires, and you're gonna put each side onto those screws that we just drilled in. Dun-dun, dun-dun. Get friendly with the wall.
Get this screws the same distance out.
All right, so we hooked that side on. Now we're gonna hook the other side on. Without breaking the light. Okay, so wait. Don't straighten it out. Let's show them. Oh, that looks pretty straight already. So you can see right now it's a little crooked because you can see that this side is a little higher than this side, so it's a little slanted. But what's awesome is those wires, they just glide either way across the screws. And so you can just slide the mirror either way it needs to go until it's level. Nope, now it's crooked the other way. All right, can we throw a level up there? I just want to show this is legit. Level. I guess we could have showed that our screws that we originally did were not level, but you guys, we totally just eyeballed it. So that, my friends, that is how you hang any picture, any mirror, any heavy piece of wall art on the wall, straight, level, every time, without actually having to use a level or measuring out exactly where your screws go. Because let me tell you, that is a pain in the tush, and it's kind of hard. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you want any more tips or tricks, check out my channel. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for your support.